and welcome to Procoat's official tutorial video series. I will be your guide. And for this video, we're talking about a power bank, a 20,000 mAh power bank. This right here is an image of the item, and here is a little teeny tiny bit of a sneak peek. Alright, look at it. And now, let's take a better look at it. Whoa. Okay, here's the item in question right here, and here is a little case for it. I'll get to this little guy in a bit. Okay, first let's just see the power bank in question. Look at sleek design, lovely line of red going across the black. I hope we can see that. That is beautiful. Okay, sleek, just a sleek, smooth design. A little bit heavy, but nothing no one can handle. Okay, let's check the front. Right here, we got the power button. Press it, and the indicator turns on. Right now, there's 72 power in this little guy. Okay, so you need to charge it. But at 72, more than enough. Plug your phone in and you can charge it. Or not, and not just your phone. You can plug in any item you wish. Because, let's take a little look at the cable. And when I say any items, I genuinely mean any item. This little guy can charge just about any device you want. Okay? You got your C-type, your mini C-type, your Apple type, and of course the USB for you to plug in and voila, just charge it in. Simple enough, right? Nothing too complicated. Okay, so you can charge up to just about any item really. If you have an Apple item, you can charge it. If you have a Samsung item or Huawei item, you can charge it. Even if it's not a phone, let's say if you have a camera or you have a portable game console, for instance, or an MP3 player, you can fully charge it using this little guy right here, no problem. Okay. And right here are the outputs. You have two USB outputs, and you have a PD output as well right here. Okay, meaning you're more than capable of charging 3 items at once. And all these items are 3.0 quick charge. So they'll charge rather quickly and rather nicely, if I say so myself. And of course, this mini right here is for the power bank itself. So this mini you see right here, this is where you slot in the power bank's charger. Is again, fair enough, the mini right here as you can see. I hope it's clear. You can see where the mini is. Yeah, there you go. And like I mentioned, there is a case. Now the case, in my opinion, it's a bit necessary because this is a little bit of a, let's just say it's a bit of a big boy. Let's leave it at that. It's quite big, rather heavy. Quite big, rather heavy, but sleek black design. And of course, put in the case for your own comfort. Rather soft, rather comfy. Now, as I mentioned, it is black, red streak going through, a bit of a dark color. Personally, I love it, but there might be those who, let's just say they want a brighter option really, and fair enough. These are our other options. The black, which is right here, this beauty right here, this black. But then of course, you got red, you got blue, you got white. You want the exact antithesis of this one? Perfect, you gotta go for the white. Brightest there is. You love yourself some crimson red. Okay, perfect, brilliant. Also a gorgeous color. And for our blue lovers out there who want a little bit of the seaside for themselves, here's the blue, also gorgeous. You can't go wrong with any of these colors, and you can't go wrong with the power bank like this. It can charge any household item that you have. Any item. Doesn't matter who manufactured it, doesn't matter what you use it for. You got a piece of tech at your home, phone, camera, a DS, anything, it will charge it for you. Okay, so thank you for coming to this video. I hope you found it satisfying. I hope you found it useful. If you have, please leave us a like and don't forget to subscribe for more from Procoat.